Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If you got somebody yard and see say them sick, what are the first thing you would do? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button. Drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 8 from verse 14 to verse 17. When Jesus reached a Peter yard, him see say Peter mother-in-law did lie down in a bed. She did have fever. Him touch her hand and the fever broke. And she get up same time and start look after them. When evening come, them carry a whole heap of people where have been demon come which part Jesus did there. Him just say one word and demon come out of people. And all who did sick, he make them get better. That way, where the prophet Isaiah did say would have come true. Isaiah did say, all of the sitting them where we suffer with, in can take them away. And all of we sickness them, him take, put upon himself. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.